Every beautiful bathroom has a dirty little secret. It's that unsightly toilet brush, hastily hidden away, sitting in stagnant water, a breeding ground for the very bacteria we're trying to eliminate. Until now. Introducing Boujeé, the toilet brush reimagined from bristle to base. Look closer and you'll notice the difference immediately. Our innovative triple-tiered bristle system doesn't just clean, it transforms the experience. The top tier, with its V-shaped bristles, reaches deep under the rim. The middle tier polishes with precision, and the bottom tier ensures a gentle finish that won't damage your bowl. But the real revolution happens when you're done cleaning. Traditional brushes go back into their unsanitary caddies. Boujeé, however, uses a patent-pending magnetic catch that suspends the brush above a removable drip tray, allowing it to dry completely while preventing bacteria growth. The sleek casing, with its 90-degree back, fits elegantly into corners, saving space without sacrificing style. And the drip tray? It features a thoughtful finger notch for easy removal and emptying. We've even reimagined the cleaning solution with an integrated, eco-conscious cleanser system. Natural, non-toxic ingredients delivered through recyclable canisters. Powerful cleaning that respects both your home and our planet. Boujeé isn't just a better toilet brush. It's a statement that every detail in your home deserves thoughtful design, even the ones no one talked about before. Boujeé, hygiene elevated, design refined.